Now look at this sum over here, 78 minus 6. Now what do you understand looking at the number here? This is in the single digit number and this is a 2-digit number. How do we place it when we are doing subtraction? Let us put a column here, tens and ones. Now this is a single digit number, so we need to place it in ones place only. So let us write this number first. 78 minus 6, we need to place it in ones column. Right. Now after 6, count till 8 and open your finger. After 6, 7, 8. Right? The answer here is 2. Now 7, do we have any number here, children? No. So the same number we need to put it down. Or even if you think there is nothing, you are getting confused, if you put a 0 over here also, 7 minus 0 is 7. We have already learned in the facts, right? So what is the difference over here? 78 minus 6 is equal to 72. Right? So this is how you would subtract a single digit number from a 2-digit number. Now let us take one more example. 84 minus 21. How do we write it? Let us write this first. Now the first number we have 8 in tens place, 4 in ones place. Then the next number 2 in tens place and 1 in ones place. Now after 1, count till 4 and open your finger. Okay, after 1, 2, 3, 4. So the difference here is 3. Now after 2, count till 8. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is 5 and 1, 6. The difference here is 6. So 84 minus 21 is equal to 63. This is the difference. So here we have taken what? A 2-digit number subtracted from a 2-digit number. Now let us take a 3-digit number here. 342 minus 221. Right? So now you will write ones place, tens here, hundreds here. So in the first number we have 3 in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. In the second number here, 2 in the hundreds place, 2 in tens place and 1 in ones place. So now if when you start counting backward from 1 to after 2, after 1, 2. So the number here difference is 1. Now after 2, count till 4. After 2, 3, 4. So 2 is the difference here. Now after 2, count till 3. After 2, 3. So the difference is 1. So the answer here is 342 minus 221 is equal to 121. Now let us take one more number. For example, let's take a number 28 minus 0. 0 means what? Nothing, right? So when something like this comes, what do you write down? You write the same number, 8, and 2 will come as it is down because there is nothing over here. You all understood? Is it clear? So whenever we subtract any number from 0, you will get the same number. Okay. Now let us take one more number like 45 minus 45. So 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. I hope you all understood this, right? Now open your textbook and do the exercise. Now children, let us look at this concept, subtraction of two and 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Now look at the sum that I have taken, 82 minus 25. Now when we put them under the proper column, on the tens place we have 8 and 2, and in ones place we have 2 and 5. Just look at this number, we are going to do subtraction, and the number which is down here is larger than the number from which we have to subtract. So what am I going to do? Can I remove 5 from 2? No. So generally, there are some guests at home and there's no milk in the house. What does your mother do? She'll go to the neighbor's house and ask them for a glass of milk, and then she'll prepare the tea. Yes? Very good. This is called borrowing. What is it called, children? Borrowing. This is very important over here. So now what will 2 do? It is in the ones place. So it will go to the tens place and borrow one number. That means from 8 it will borrow 1, and that will become 10 over here. So 10 plus 2. So the number is now 12 over here. So we have borrowed from here. So this becomes 7. So now here the number is 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12. So from 12 we are going to subtract 5. So after 5 you can start counting till 12. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So that is how much? 7. Right? So write 7 over here. Now because we have borrowed 1 from here to here, this becomes 7. So 7 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 5. So 82 minus 25 is equal to 57. Is it clear, children? Now let us do the sum with 3-digit number. So 240 minus 189. So now let us put the columns here, ones, tens and hundreds. Now the number in hundreds place here is 2, tens 4, ones 0. Then here 189. Now look at the numbers in the ones place. The number here on the top is 0 and here it is 9. Can we remove 9 from 0? No. So what would we do? We would borrow 1 from here. So this becomes 3 here, and this, because it is in the tens place, when it comes to the ones place, it is 10 ones. Okay. So we have 10 over here now. 10 minus 9, how much? After 9, 10. So 1. Now here it is 3 now, and the number down is 8. Can we remove 8 from 3? No. So what does 3 do over here? From the tens place, it will go to the hundreds place and it will borrow 1. This will become 1 and this will become 13. Now 10 tens, from here we have taken 1 over here from the hundreds place. So that becomes 10 tens, right? So plus 3, this is 13 tens over here. So now 8 minus 13. After 8, count till 13. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is 5. Now 1 minus 1, 0. So the difference between 240 and 189 is equal to 51. Yes, children, did you understand? You have an explanation with sums in your reader. So I request you all to open your textbook, go through the explanation and then do the exercise. Now let us learn the relationship between addition and subtraction. This is a fact which you all have to know is, for every addition fact, there are 2 subtraction facts. How is it possible? Now look at this sum here. 15 plus 25 is equal to 40. We can write this as 40 minus 15 is equal to 25, and also as 40 minus 25 is equal to 15. You understood now? How you got two facts? The same numbers. I have just changed their place and you are getting this fact. Same way, you can take another number. For example, 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. Okay? So, 80 minus 20 is equal to 60. 80 minus 60 is equal to 20. Isn't it this interesting, children? Yeah? Now let us do a sum over here. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. 50 minus dash is equal to 20 and 50 minus dash is equal to dash. Can you try this now? Yes? 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. So 50 minus something, the number you need to put it over there. So is equal to 20. So what would come, children? You have 20 here, 50 is also there. What is missing here? 30. So let us write this as 30 over here. Then check, is the fact same? Yes, it is right. Now here you have the blanks, but 50 is only written over here. So already you have 30 here. So let us put 20 here and 30 over here. Is it clear? Can you do this now? Yes? So you need to remember that every additional fact has two subtraction facts. Okay, keep this in your mind. And then I request you to read the reader. Now the topic where this is being explained and do the corresponding exercise. Now let us do a word problem over here. Right? I am reading the sum nouns. Sidhu and Shyam collected 415 marbles. Sidhu collected 219 marbles. How many marbles did Shyam collect? Is it clear, children? Who collected? Sidhu and Shyam together. Both of them collected 450. Sidhu alone collected 219. That means out of 450, 219 were collected by Sidhu. Now, how many marbles did Shyam collect? How would we do this? We need to subtract the number of marbles collected by Sidhu from this total number of marbles. So, you can write this as statement as total number of marbles collected. Total number of marbles. So, how many number? Total number is 450. So, write this. Write the column also here. Right? So, marbles collected by Sidhu. So, Sidhu collected 219. Marbles collected by Shyam. So this is the answer that you are going to get or the difference after you do the subtraction. Now let's see in the ones column. You have 0 here, you have to subtract 9 from 0. Can we do it? No. So what do? We borrow 1 10 from tens. So that becomes 10 here and this becomes 4 here because we have borrowed. So from 10 you are removing 9. After 9, 10. So 1 over here. Now in the tens place you need to subtract 1 from 4. So after 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3 here. Then 4 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4. 2. So how many marbles did Shyam collect, children? 231. This is how you are supposed to write the statement and do the sums. I request you all to open your textbook and do the word problems.